Product selection preparation. In this lesson you'll learn what you need to do to install a couple of tools so that your product selection process in the next lesson is much easier. Speeding it up. The product selection process is a time-consuming process, but to speed this up we are going to be using an app. And to use the app you need to install Google Chrome. So we do have two apps that we recommend. The first is DS Amazon QuickView Extended. Now this app has two versions essentially. One is free and one that has a one-off fee of $14.99. The second app is the AMZ Seller Browser. Now we strongly recommend you choose the paid version of the DS Amazon app. While it is $14.99, it is definitely worth it. It is more reliable and shows more results. And while the AMZ Seller Browser is free, it does miss a lot of results, and it only takes one for you to miss a golden opportunity. Now you do need to install Google Chrome. However, you can still use your existing browser for everything else if you don't already use Google Chrome. Now I first used Chrome just for product searching. I was a Firefox only user. Chrome has now become my default browser and I use it for everything. Now to record the data in the next lesson I will be using Google Sheets. This is a free application. All you need is a Google account. However, you can use any spreadsheet application you want. So if you have Excel or any other application, you can go ahead and use that. So first of all, you want to install Chrome if you haven't got it installed already. To do that, just go to Google and type in Google Chrome install. Then just click on the link you see for download Chrome today. It will automatically detect what kind of computer you're using. Then just download it and follow the instructions. It's a very simple setup. Next, we're going to find the app. To do that, you can either go straight to the Chrome Web Store and type in DS Amazon QuickView Extended, or you can actually do it in Google. So, as you can see, I've typed in DS Amazon QuickView Extended, and the first link is the normal app, and the second one is the extended one. Now, by all means, you can go and install the free one and see how you get on. However, it is worth noting that the extended version enables you to search in Germany and the UK. The normal one doesn't. And also the extended version does tend to be more reliable and also has price and BSR history. So as I said before, I strongly recommend you use the extended one. To install it, all you need to do is click on the link. It's going to take you straight to the Google Store and to the actual app. Now, as you can see, I've got added to Chrome here because I've already got it installed. If you haven't got it installed already, you will see buy it for $14.99. Just click on that link and follow the instructions. Once you've installed it, you're going to see this icon in the top right. And as you can see, when I put my mouse cursor on it, it says DS Amazon QuickView Extended. So just before we go to Amazon, I'll show you how it works. We'll just take a good quick look at Google Sheets. So all you need to do is type Sheets into Google. It'll give you these results and you can click on this one that says About to begin. Now you need to log into your Google account. If you haven't got one, then go set one up. It's really straightforward and obviously free. And then just click on Go to Google Sheets. Now I've got none in here right now, but I will be creating one before the next lesson when we actually start building our list of hot opportunities. And you will get access to that sheet and also a downloadable version if you prefer to do it that way. Okay, so now we've looked at Sheets, let's quickly go to Amazon and I'll show you what the Amazon DS app looks like and what it does for you. Now we'll be going to a lot more detail in the next lesson, but essentially we're going to use a search in Amazon that is the open square bracket followed by the closed square bracket, which basically gives you a rectangle. You select the category you want to search in. So for instance, if I want to start searching in home and kitchen, I would select that category and then click search. Now before we go any further, I've just created this short little insert video to put in here because Amazon are split testing something. As you can see in the search bar now, there are no categories, and that could well be the case when you come to watch this video and start selecting your products. Now because this could literally just be a split test of Amazon's, I'm not going to re-record the entire video, but what I am going to do is show you how to search if when you start searching it doesn't have the categories. And basically we use the same search string, so open square bracket and close square bracket, then we click search. Now obviously we're not searching in a specific category here, and that is what we want to do. And to do that, all we need to do is go to the sidebar and click on See All 36 Departments. Now the number may vary here, but basically you just want to click on See All Departments and then select the category you want. So I want to look in Home and Kitchen. I click on it, and we're now in Home and Kitchen using our search string, and then we just carry on. Now the remainder of this video is the original video, but rather than replace it in case this is just a split test of Amazon's, we're going to leave it as it is. But it's the only difference is actually whether that category shows up in the search bar. Now I will go through this again briefly in the lesson where we actually start selecting our products, but essentially it's just the same thing. If I scroll down, you'll see the same kind of results you're going to see in the existing video. So let's get back to showing you how this all works. So basically what it does, it puts a gray box under each listing, and in that box it gives you the BSR of the top level category. This saves us having to open each individual product in a new tab, which obviously takes time. In addition, I'm just going to scroll down a bit further so you can see the results showing up. It also enables us to see the product information. So for instance, this blender bottle here on the left, if you notice, if I put my cursor over it, it gives me the product dimensions and importantly the item weight, in other words 0.6 ounces. Now the weight is very important. As we've already discussed, it's part of our ASM criteria. And again, it enables us to look at the weight without having to go and open the listing in a new tab. Now, because of the way Amazon shows its results, they're not in order. So although we use that search string, the open and close brackets, it does show us the vast majority of the results for that category. Unfortunately, it doesn't put them in order of like 1 to 10,000. It mixes them up. So because of this, we do have to search, and quite often we have to go through multiple pages. This is where your mindset has to come in. You have to be patient and you have to be methodical. When we go through everything in the next lesson, you'll see how it all works. And you might go through and select 15 to 20 hot opportunities, and then when you narrow them down, find out that none of them actually are viable enough to go forward with, and you have to begin again. It's the nature of the business, and to be quite honest, the fact that it is quite difficult is actually a good thing, because it stops all the people that are lazy and don't want to make an effort from actually finding products. It's only dedicated people like ourselves inside of ASM that will take this extra effort and be patient while we're doing it. So as I said, we'll go into a lot more details in the next lesson. So what is next? Well, now you know the tools we will be using in the product selection process in the next lesson. And in the next lesson, you are going to actually start searching and building your hot opportunity list. So your action step is to go and install Google Chrome if you haven't already got it installed, and also to install the DS Amazon Quick View Extended app. That's it for this lesson. Take care.